News just coming in this hour. Members of the Panthers party clashed with the police in Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir. The MLA of Udhampur and state president of the Jammu and Kashmir Panthers party had asked party workers to block trains today. In view of the threat, the state police had deployed forces around the Chak Rakhwal railway station. Clashes broke out between party workers and the police, who had to resort to lathi charge and tear gas shells to bring the situation under control. The protests were led by Panthers party Udhampur MLA Balwant Singh Mankotia, and the protest was demanding recruitment of gang coolies of Udhampur in railways, as most of the youth absorbed are from the Kashmir Valley. Let's get an word from our correspondent Ashwini Kumar, who's joining us on the phone line from Jammu. Ashwini, the situation quite tense. The Panthers party demanding that locals from Jammu also be recruited by the railway force, as they claim that youngsters from the area are not being given jobs in that sector.
Yeah, there was a protest by the Panther party because of the coming assembly election in the November-December area. The Panther party, they are demanding from the railway ministry that local people should be involved in this recruitment of the gang police in the railways between the Jammu and Srinagar railways, and they said they are alleging that most of the people are from the Kashmir Valley, not from the Jammu area, and there was a clash between the Panther party and the police on the Chak Rakhwal railway station. It is just 16 kilometers away from the Udhampur, and there was some injury in the police also and the Panther party workers also. Around 1 dozen people were injured, and some of them now were shifted to the hospital. And there were around 500 to 600 Panther party workers. They were trying to block the rail at the Chak Rakhwal when the senior officer of the railways reached there. And that is the reason, because of the elections, they are trying to exploit the people, and they wanted that people should be adjusted in the railways. Yeah.
Right, Ashwini, we're getting violent pictures from the ground. The police resorting to lathi charge and tear gas shells to bring crowds under control. What's the situation like right now?
Initially there was an understanding that they will just meet the senior railway officers who are there, and but later on immediately some of the Panther party and the police alleged that some of the Panther party workers, they threw the stone on the police party, and the clash took place, and they used tear gas shells and lathi charge on the Panther party workers also, and now situation is under control. There is a movement of traffic is going on. There is no such thing, and it was initially for some time when the Panther party wanted to block the railway movement on the railway track at Chak Rakhwal railway station. This is a small railway station, 16 kilometers before Udhampur area.
All right, Ashwini, thanks so much. We'll leave it there. We'll continue tracking developments with you.